How to make money online. Making money online is the sweet spot people look for in the gig economy. Whether you aspire to be a six-figure social media influencer, or are just looking to supplement your regular income with some online side jobs, we've found some viable options. A man makes money online with freelance work. 1. Pick up freelance work online. Make money online through websites such as Upwork, Fiverr and freelancer.com. These sites offer opportunities to do a variety of freelance jobs, such as writing, programming, design, marketing, data entry and being a virtual assistant. Fluent in a second language? Check sites such as Gengo or Blend Express, or drum up business through a site of your own. No matter what freelancing you do, keep track of the going rate for the kind of work you provide so you know if you're charging too much or too little. Learn how to get started on Upwork. Total time. It can take a while to get your first gig. Setup, 24 hours. How easy to start? Easy, if you have the expertise. How fast you'll get paid varies by site. 2. Test websites and apps. Another way to make money from home is on sites like usertesting.com. You get paid for your thoughts on how well, or not so well, certain websites and apps worked. You'll have to complete a short test to be accepted, then you'll be paid depending on the test type. Usertesting.com does not disclose an exact amount. Total time, approval time can vary. Setup, less than an hour. How easy to start? Easy, if you have the tech gear and complete a sample test. Age threshold, 18 plus. How fast you'll get paid? 7 days.